guys, so I'm doing the Advent Calendar Part 5, and here is what we already have over here in the scene. So I'm pretty excited because 5 is more of a bigger one, which I think maybe there's a person in there. That's my guess. Or maybe this brown foal, but let's just open it up and see. Oh, it looks like some hay and a pig. Is there anything else? No, there is not. Okay, so it comes with this little thing of hay, so now we can feed the foal. And if we put this in here, it's kind of bent. Won't want to go in there. Okay, so I was able to get it in there. So now we can, with the pitchfork, we can just kind of pick up some hay, put it over here for the horse to eat. And now we have apples and hay for the horse. And now the horse pretty much can stay in this stall right here. Have hay, apples, a fence. Hey, what do I get? You get super cool stuff to use on the horse, like a helmet and a curry comb and a crop. Thanks. Alright, you guys, so I hope you'll join me in part 6 tomorrow. Be day 6, and here's the box here, and it's just about the same size as the one we just opened. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. I just put the bag back in that I took it out of. But it's pretty big, and I think we might get a foal, or maybe that girl in there. Actually, we could get anything. Just saying. The kittens! I want the kittens. I say that like every single day, but you know, I want everything. Alright, you guys, so I will see you in part 6 tomorrow. Bye.